Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to create your account in Instagram. Please download Instagram app from your Play Store. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. Click on Instagram app and you have two options from Facebook or from your email ID. Please click on you can sign up from email ID, and you can click on from email ID address, and you can put your registered email ID over there. Click on next and please give your full name, and please create your password. Click on next. Please click on next. Please add your profile picture. You can add it now or you can skip it. As of now I'll skip this. And please it will ask for an access to your contact. You can give it as allow. Okay, if you want from your contact, if you want anyone to follow you, you can give it, or else you can give it as next. And if you want to connect your Instagram to Facebook, you can click on to that option, or else you can skip it. Okay, anyways, you can skip this. Saving information. If you want to do this, if you want to save all your login information, that is your password and everything, you can give it as save. As of now I'll skip this. Your Instagram account has been created successfully. Thank you.